Hello everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So this is the Flask application with which a teacher can take a real-time quiz in the classroom. Now how this application works, that is what is covered in this video. The first thing I'm going to show you is the database that is connected to this particular application, and it is SQLite 3 that we're using. This is the one. As you can see, there are no tables as of now. Let me log in into the teachers panel. So the moment user logs into the application, not the user but the admin logs into the application, here's what he gets redirected. All the screens of this application are mostly mobile responsive, like this. Right now, in the exam upload, the teacher or the admin needs to upload the examination first, right? So choose file. There is this Excel sheet which I am going to upload. Before uploading, I would like to show you the content present in the Excel sheet. Question, that's the first column. So this is what we have in the Excel sheet. Okay, now I'm going to choose file and then upload it. So data got uploaded successfully and required tables also got created. Let me come back on the database and open it again. So you can see there are 4 tables which have got created. The first one is quiz. So we have all the questions along with the options and the correct answers and explanation. Whatever is there in the Excel sheet is now there in this table also. Student details, there is nothing in the student details table. Right, so 3 tables are empty. There is only 1 table in which we have the data. Now if I do a delete tables, what is going to happen? Let me just check that. So again, I'm going to open this database. As you can see, the tables, all the tables have got deleted. So the creation of tables and the relation of tables can be done by the teacher or the admin. I hope this part is clear to you guys. Then comes the next thing, which is registration of the students. So how that happens is, for that I'm going to open a different browser. Right here on Chrome, I'm going to access the students panel. Let me just see if I can log in into the application through face login. Profile not found. Why? Because this table in which the profile comes and sits is completely empty. As you can see, this uploads folder where the user's photograph comes and sits is also completely empty right now. So I'm going to create my profile. Username is the combination of name and roll number. Password. Right, and let me just submit my file. Profile has got successfully created. Let me just see. Okay, my photograph is here. Now I can go back and log in into the application. So let me see if I can log in. Yes, I can see my profile over here. Right, my username is this and password. Okay, now let me do one thing. Let me just close it and let me try login using the username and password. Okay, so both the things are working fine. Let me do a let's go. So when the user clicks on the let's go button, he comes on this screen. right, which is showing us a message currently. Please wait while the teacher broadcasts the question. Okay, now before broadcasting the question, let me do one thing. Let me open another browser where I'm going to create one more profile. Okay, students panel, and create profile. (11). Okay, and let me do one thing. Let me take a photograph from my mobile phone. Okay, student profile. Okay, profile has got registered successfully. Let me see if we can log in using the same image. Okay, let's go. So he is also waiting for the questions to be broadcasted. Let me create one more profile. Okay, so let me log out from here once, and then student panel, create profile. And it's time for us to take the photograph, right? Okay, let's go with this one for now. And let's go with student profile. Okay, I've successfully created Ashish's profile also, right? And let me tell you something here. So there is one table here with name student login details. As you can see, only 2 students have logged in right now. Okay, and that is the reason we can see the profiles over here. Now, as you can see, this is the first student, which is Gaurav, and this is the second student, right? So we are going to play this game only with these 2 users, and the third one is not going to come into the picture. Teacher panel. So right now, before broadcasting the questions, or whenever at any point of time, the teacher or the admin can check the student statuses. Here you can see all the 3 students. Teacher can see all the 3 students, but this person here, Ashish, we can see a red dot for the status part. Why is it so? Because he hasn't logged in yet. Check response, because the teacher hasn't broadcasted any questions yet. That is the reason it's completely blank. And then we have broadcast result. So right now there is, for all the 3, it's 0. Right now, let me come back on the broadcast questions, and here I'm going to broadcast the first question. So as you can see, there is this question, and then we have 3 radio buttons. So whichever radio button I'll click, it doesn't matter, but it will broadcast this question. Let me show you how it happens. So as you can see right now, the screens of theirs is completely blank, and it's showing a message. Now if I select this question broadcasted successfully. Now the question which I've broadcasted can be seen over here on the students panel. Right, now the student have to give the answer of this question. How many days are there in a week? Let's go with 7 days. So Gaurav went with the third option. Abhinandan, for Abhinandan, let's go with the first option. Okay, it's just for testing purpose. Then we have one more question, 4 more questions. Don't think that you're not able to hear anything. I'm not speaking. Wait. So just answering the questions. I hope you guys are able to understand all this. Right. Now the users have given the response to all the questions. They can log out. And you can see now the student panel has gone away. It's the result tab which is coming on top of this first page. Why it happened? Because I clicked here on the broadcast result. So the moment user clicks this broadcast, admin or teacher clicks this broadcast result, what happens is the result gets calculated, and he or she can see the marks of the students over here. Check response. Here are the responses. So as you can see, all the responses with which Aminandan responded with are not correct. Right. That is the reason we don't have anything for Abhinandan, but for Gaurav we have 5 marks. Student status, now all of them are red. Then broadcast questions I've already showed you. And how the student can now check the result, they just have to visit the application and click on the result section, and here they can see the result of this. Right, so this is the complete application. Now the admin, if he wants to conduct another exam, he can simply delete everything from the database first, log out. Now you can see the the result has gone away. It's the student panel and teacher panel which is coming right now. Okay, so this is a complete application. The first thing that you have to do for using the application is uploading the questions so that the tables can get created, and after that you can use it. That is it from my side in this lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed this application. Let me know if you liked it, please. That's it. Thank you so very much.